Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to explore the Boolean model in information retrieval in this session. I will explain the theory behind the Boolean model and show how its work practice through examples. By the end, you will understand how Boolean logic helps in retrieving the relevant documents efficiently. Aim. Our aim today is to understand how the Boolean model works for information retrieval. We want to learn how to represent documents and queries using logical operators and how these operations helps in filtering and retrieving the right documents from a collection. The descriptions are the Boolean model is based on a set theory and formal logic. Each document is treated as a set of terms and user queries are expressed using Boolean operators and or and not and selects document that contains all specified terms or selects the documents that contains at least one of the terms not excludes documents containing certain terms. This model is simple and intuitive, forming the basis of early searching engines and still useful for exact match searches. The procedure of using the Boolean model involves document representation, which represent each document as a set of terms. Term indexing. Maintain a list of terms present in the document collection. Query processing. Break down user queries into Boolean expressions. And the last, logical operations. Apply and or and not to the document and sets to retrieve matching documents. Following these steps ensures a systematic and accurate retrieval process. Program flow. First, we index all the terms in our document collection. Next, each document is represented as a set of terms, almost like a checklist of words. When a user submits a query, the Boolean operations are applied on these seats, combining or excluding documents according to the query. The result is a list of documents that satisfies the query conditions. Even without the programming, this flow helps us understand how search engines filter documents using logic. These are the sample outputs. Let's see some examples to make it constant. Query information and retrieve returns document 2 and 3 because both terms are present in these documents. Query Python or models returns the document 1 and 3 as at least one of the term appears. Query retrieval not Boolean returns only document 2 because document 3 contains only Boolean and is excluded. This demonstrates the flexibility of Boolean operators in filtering documents is precisely. Finally, conclusion. In conclusion, the Boolean model is simple, logical, and powerful while it does not handle ranking or partial matches. It forms the foundation of many information retrieval systems. Understanding this model is important because it helps us conceptually grasp how search engine process queries and it also prepares us to more advanced models like vector space or probabilistic model. With this understand we can effectively retrieve documents using logical operations even without complexing problem.